A tiny plastic tube just caused thousands of dollars in damage to 3 different units. Last week, we got an emergency call to a Vancouver apartment complex. A refrigerator supply line had completely failed, and because the tenants were away, it leaked unnoticed for days. By the time we arrived, the hallway felt like a sponge. We brought out the thermal cameras and moisture meters, and what we found was a disaster. Water had seeped through the walls and ruined 3 separate units. The hardwood floors were already buckling, and mold was starting to take over. We had to rip out the ruined drywall and flooring just to save the structure. It's crazy how a tiny fridge leak can destroy a building. Water damage doesn't wait, and neither do we. You can count on incredible restorations 24/7 to catch the damage before it catches you off guard.